Hello students, this is example 6th one. Find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20 by the prime factorization method. Okay, by using the prime factorization method we have to find out the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20. Okay, you no need to worry about that LCM and HCF. Okay, I will tell you clearly. Before that we have to find the prime factor for 6 and 20. Okay, solution. Prime factor. First for 6, what are the prime factors, and for 20. Okay, first one 6. Yesterday I taught the sum, first sum, right? Exercise 1.2 first sum in that same way only. In the 2 table 3 times. Again 3 table 1 time. Okay, that's it. So the factors for 6, 2 into 3. Okay, these are the factors for number 6. Next one 20. What are the factors for 20? Again you have to use the same method. Same, in the 2 table 10 times it will come. Again if 2 table 5 times. Again 5 table 1 time. That's it, right? So what are the prime factors for 20? Factors 2 into 2 into 5. Yesterday itself I told this one no need to write. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 5. These are the factors for 20. Okay, now we have to find out the LCM and HCF. That only we have to find, right? So first one LCM. LCM of 6, 20. Okay, for these two numbers what are the LCM? In that same way, what are the HCF of 6, 20? These two only we have to find now. Okay, see, LCM means which is the highest number. That one we have to write. Okay, before that you just write here 2 are there, right? So 2 square into 5. Okay, now we just compare these two numbers 6 and 20. I mean the prime factors. Okay, here 1 2 is there, here also 1 2 is there. Correct? So for these 2 we have to write 1 2. Two numbers are common, no? For these two I written here 1 2. Okay, we have to take 1. Next 3. Again one more 2 is there. Okay, 3. Again one more 2 and one more 5. These are the LCM. Okay, LCM means least common factor. First you have to write what are the numbers are common. I mean same. That number you should write first. Okay, and then remaining whatever it may be, or you should write all the numbers, all the remaining numbers. Okay, these two only I written for this common, right? So remaining 3 2 5, that only I written here. Okay, this is LCM. Okay, you just multiply this and then write the answer. Next HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor. So you have to write the same number alone. These two only for 6 and 20, these two only the same factor, right? That 2 alone will come here for HCF. Hope you understand. LCM means first you have to write the common number, I mean common factor, and then you should write the remaining all the factors also. But in that HCF, you must write only the same number. Okay, same factors alone. That's it. Here LCM we have to multiply these two, these 4 numbers. 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 into 5. Here 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 12 into 5 60. Okay, so the LCM of 6, 20 is 60. I hope now all of you understand about that LCM and HCF. Correct? LCM means least common multiple. Okay, next LCM. HCF means highest common factor. Okay, for this LCM first you have to write the same number and then you should write remaining all the numbers, and then HCF means you must write the same number alone. Okay, that's it. Next example 7. Find the next example 7. Find the HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. Hence find their LCM. You just remind that example 6. Okay, there they are given LCM and HCF. You have to find for the two numbers, right? But here HCF, you have to find the HCF. Okay, find the HCF of 96 and 404 by the prime factorization method. Hence find their LCM. Both you have to find. Okay, same questions only, but that given the question type is there, no, that only difference. Okay, here also you have to find the HCF and LCM for these two numbers. Correct? Yes. Now see the first solution. Same way, first you have to find out that prime factor for 96 and 404. Okay, first for 96, same in the 2 table you just try in the 2 table or 3 table. Okay, take 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so again in that 2 table, 2 ones are 2, remaining 1, 12, 2 6 are 12. Okay, again in the 2 table, 2 8s are 16, again 2 table, 2 4s are 8, again in the 2 table 2 times it will come. Okay, so many factors are there, right? Because in the last sum they are given small numbers, but here they are given 96, that will be a 2-digit number, right? So you have to write now factor for 96. What are the factors? 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Again if you want to do, write this one also. Okay, see here 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that's it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 2s. Okay, next one 404. For 404 you have to write, find out the prime factors. Okay, same 2 table, 2 times 2 2s are 4, the 0 0 times and 4 2 times. Again 2 table, 1 2 ones are 2, 0 0 times, this 2 1 time. Okay, again so this 101 table only one time. Okay, so for 404 what are the factors we found? 2 into 2 into 101. Okay, 2 into 2 into 101. See, as I told here, you have to write in that ascending order, correct? Or else, okay, no need to write that and all. You just find out that HCF. First HCF. Okay, HCF of 96 and 404. Okay, so here we already found that the prime factors for 96 and 404. Okay, you just find out that now HCF means highest common factor. You must write the same number alone. Okay, here 1 2 is there, correct? Here 1 2. For these 2 2 we should write 1 2. Okay, both are the common, no? For two numbers we have to write 1. Next, in that same way here 1 2 is there, here also 1 2 is there, correct? For these two also we should write 1 2. That's it. Here 3 is there, but here 3 not there. Here remaining 2 2s are there, but here 101 only is there. Okay, no more same numbers are there. So 2 into 2, that's it. So HCF of 96 and 404 equal to 2 into 2 4. That's it. Okay, next they also find HCF also we have to find, right? So the LCM of 96 comma 404. What are the LCM? Least common multiple. Okay, so least common multiple means first we have to write the same number, and along with that we should write all the remaining factors also. Okay, so first you have to write the same numbers already we found in that HCF, right? Write that same thing, 2 into 2. Again, what are the numbers remaining are there? See that unboxed numbers, all the numbers you should write. Remaining 3 is there, and 2 into 2 into 2 into 101. Okay, you have to multiply all these numbers and write the answer. First you multiply 2 into 2 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 into 2 24, 24 into 2 48, 48 into 2 96. So 96 into 101. Okay, again you have to multiply these two numbers, you will get the answer 9696. Okay, this is the LCM of 96, 404. Okay, hope you all understand about the LCM and HCF. Thank you, students. They asked the HCF of 96 and 404 by the prime factorization method. See here, by using the prime factorization method we found HCF and LCM. Okay, yeah, hope you all understand. Thank you, students. Keep on watching my video, and if you like this video means please subscribe and give support to me. Thank you so much.